Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and set up Claude Code on your Ubuntu operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Claude Code install, and the first link which will appear here will be from code.claude.com/docs/quick start. So I'm going to click on this link, and here in the quick start page I'm going to scroll down a little on the first step where you can see how you can install Claude Code for different operating system, including the Linux operating system. So for Linux, this command is the one which we need to install it on Ubuntu. So I'm going to just copy this command, and then let me open the terminal. And once my terminal is open, I'm going to just paste this command which I have copied and then press enter, and I can see the installation of Claude Code has been started. So you can see it's saying installing Claude Code native build latest, and now we can see this message which is Claude Code successfully installed, the version of Claude Code and the location where it's installed. So once Claude Code is installed, you can start using Claude Code with this command, which is Claude. So let's use this and then press enter. And you can see when I just give the Claude command for the first time, you can do some kind of settings on your terminal user interface. First setting is the mode. So you can see there are different modes which are available. I'm going to go with the default mode, which is the dark mode, and then press enter. And then you can see this kind of interface. If you don't have the Claude subscription or Anthropic subscription, it'll ask you to provide or sign up with the Anthropic API key or your Claude subscription. So you need to do that in the middle phase. And once you're logged in with your Claude Code or Anthropic subscription, then you will see this kind of window. Here it says Claude can make mistakes due to prompt injection risk. Only use it with code you trust. I'm going to press enter here, and then you can see right now I am in my home folder, right? So I'm going to just start using Claude Code in my home folder, but in your daily usage, I will recommend you to just open a folder where you want to develop some project and then start using the Claude Code in that particular folder. For now, let's start with the home folder, and then I'm going to say yes, I trust this folder, and then press enter. And you can see Claude Code started. So there are a few sections here. On the top, you will see what kind of model you are using, and here you can see tips for getting started. So run init to create the Claude MD file. So the first question I would like to ask is this question, which is what are the specs of this computer. I'm going to press enter, and then it's going to start the investigation, and then in few seconds it's going to give you some kind of options, right? So it says it wants to run some kind of commands. Do you want to proceed? I'm going to press enter here, and now in few seconds I have the configuration of this Linux operating system, right? So everything is working fine related to Claude Code. You can also give this question mark here and see what are the commands which are available. So you can try all those keyboard key combination and check how they perform. For example, if I type /, you can see all the options which are available, and then I can move through these options and choose the option which I want, right? So if I want to just use some kind of MCP, then I can just select the MCP and then press enter, and I will be able to configure the MCP, right? I can also just type and see which options are available for that letter. So for example, if I want to configure skills, then I can just type /skills, and then I will see this list of skills. So let's say I press enter here, and right now there is no skills which is configured, but for creating skills I can save my skills uh, in this folder, which is .claude/skills. Now let me also show you how you can configure Claude Code in your Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to open the Visual Studio Code, and here you can go to the extensions here and search for Claude Code extension, and there is an extension which is from Anthropic itself, which supports Claude Code for VS Code. So I'm going to just click on install here, and then click on trust publisher and install, and it's going to install Claude Code on my Visual Studio Code. And then once this Claude Code extension is installed, you can follow through this getting started window, and then as soon as this extension is installed, you will be able to see this Claude Code icon in your Visual Studio Code. So just click on this Claude Code icon here, and then you can start the new session and you can start using Claude Code, right? So let's say I have this folder here. I can also click on this icon for the Claude Code. So I can just press on this icon and it's going to open the new window here. Also, I can move this to some sections. So you can see I can move this Claude chat to different sections here, right? So you can just drag and drop this at the position you want to use. So generally we are used to having LLMs or models on this location. So I can just position this Claude Code on this location, and then I can give my prompt. Let's say I'm going to give this simple prompt where I want Claude Code to act like a senior backend developer to develop a Node.js CRUD application, right? Let me just give this command and let's see what it does. So it's going to start its work, and you can see it's creating the package.json, and it's asking me to write it to the package.json file. So I'm going to press yes here, and then it's going to do this, right? Same it's going to do for other files. So you can see it's always asking me for the permission. I'm going to give this permission here, yes, allow for all edits for this sessions, so that it can finish its work without asking me again and again. So now it has created this simple app, and it has also given me this kind of testing strategy, how I can test this, how I can run this, right? So this is how you can configure Claude Code on your Visual Studio Code also. So that's it for this video. This is how you can install and set up Claude Code on your Ubuntu operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.